Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 Cumulative Auto Sales. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is Exp25. Okay, first I have increased the font size for a proper view in my video. Then I have highlighted this. You can see this title Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 Cumulative Auto Sales. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now I will select this complete instruction file and then I will increase the font size for a proper view in my video, and then I will highlight this. Okay. Question number 1. Question number 1 is that download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 Cumulative Auto Sales XLS. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay, basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. Now moving on question number 2. The question number 2 is that create appropriate range name for purchase price cell C5. Okay, sales tax cell C6, down payment cell C7, months financed C8, APR cell C9, down payment cell C12, amount financed cell C13, and tax owed cell C14. Create the range names using the create from selection method using the value in the left column. Okay. Basically in this question we will create a appropriate range name for purchase price cell C5. Okay, focus on my laptop screen. Now I am going to do this second question of this assignment right now. Click on cell. We will select this all cells. Go to the formulas tab. In the defined name group, click on create from selection button and then click on OK button. Now down payment amount cell C12, amount finance cell C13, and owed C14. Create the range names using the create from selection method using the value in the left column. Okay, now we'll select this ranges which is given in the question. Now we'll again go to the formulas tab. Go to the formulas tab in the defined name group. In the defined name group, click on name manager. Create from selection and then select left column and click on OK button. This question is done. Now you can see I have done this question so well. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 3. I have done 2 questions of this assignment right now. The question number 3 is that added the existent name range tax owed to display a tax owed to display as tax. Note max user in the define name dialog box and add the new name range and delete the original ones. Basically, this question added the existing name range tax owed to display as tax. We will go to our Excel workbook and then we will go to the formulas tab. In the define name group, click on name manager button, click on added, select tax owed, click on added and display as tax only. Okay, display as tax only. Remove this owed, only display as tax. Click on OK button. This is done now. Now we will move on question number 4 of this assignment. I have done 3 questions so far. The question number 4 is that apply the range names to the existing formula and function in the worksheet. Apply the range names to the existing formula and the function in the okay. Okay, purchase price multiplying by down payment. C5 minus now existing formula purchase price minus down payment purchase price multiplying by sales tax. Now APR over 12 and then months financed. Now amount financed. Okay. Pay BMT into APR over 12 months financed minus amount financed. Okay. You can see this is done now. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 5. The question number 5 is that create a new worksheet label range names. Paste the newly recreated range names information in cell A1. Newly created range name information in cell A1. And then resize the column as needed for proper display. And resize the column as needed for proper display. The first point is that create a new worksheet label named range names. Create a new worksheet label. Click on this plus sign and the worksheet name is range names. We will copy this name range names and then we will have to assign a name of new worksheet to a range names. Right click on sheet 1 tab, click on rename button. We will have to assign the name of new sheet to range name. Press enter. This sheet will be assign a new name to a range name. The next point is that paste the newly created range names information in cell A1. We will click on cell A1, go to the formulas tab in the defined names group, click on use in formula button, click on paste list, paste name, click on paste list button. This is good now and resize the column as needed for a proper display. We will select column A and B. Okay. And then autofit or resize this. Now we will move on question number 6. The question number 6 is that use goal seek to determine the option purchase price to reach a $500 monthly payment with all other variables remaining unchanged. Okay, we will use goal seek to determine the option purchase price to reach a $500 monthly with all other variables remaining unchanged. We will go to the Data tab. In the forecast group, click on what if analysis button. Click on goal seek. Now the value is $500. Value is given in the instruction is $500 and then the by changing cell is C5 purchase price. Click on OK button, then again click on OK button. Now we will move on. The next question is question number 7. The question number 7 is that start in cell E5, complete the series of substitution value ranging from $20,000 to $75,000 and at increments of $5,000. Vertically down column E apply comma style format to the range E5 to E16 with no decimal points and preserve the thick bottom border on row 16. Okay, start and cell E5. Simply click on cell E5. Complete the series of substitution value ranging from $20,000 to $75,000 at increment of $5,000 vertically down column E. Click on cell E5, enter $20,000. Now we will go to the home tab. Okay, 1 second, give me a second. Go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on fill series button, click on series. Now we will select column. Strap value is 5,000 and straw value is 75,000. Click on OK button. This is good now. Apply comma style format to the range E5 to E16 with no decimal points and preserve the thick bottom border on row 16. Okay, we will select this. We will go to the home tab. In the number group, we will apply comma style with two decimal points and preserve the thick bottom border on row 16. With two decimal places, we will go to the borders. We will apply thick bottom border. Thick bottom border is here on row 16. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 8. The question number 8 is that enter references to the down payment amount, tax owed, and monthly payment cell F4, G4, and H4 in the correct location for one variable data tables. Use range names where indicated. Okay, simply enter references to the down payment amount, tax owed, and monthly payment F4, G4, and H4. Press is equal to in cell F4. Okay, we will click on cell C12. Sorry, cell C7 for down payment, tax owed, and monthly payment. Now go to cell G4. Press is equal to. Okay, tax owed. We will click on cell C14. Press enter. Now we will click on cell H4. Press is equal to and monthly payment. Now we will click on the monthly payment cell, press is equal to, go to the cell C15, press enter. Okay, this is so good. If the correct location. Now moving on question number 9. The question number 9 is that complete the one variable data tables and format the result with comma style with no decimal places. We will select this table. Okay, E4 to H16. We will go to the data tab. In the forecast group, click on what if analysis button. Click on data table. Okay, row input value, column input cells is C5. C5 purchase price. Click on OK button. This is good now. Now we will move on next question of this assignment. The next part of this question with comma style with no decimal places. We will select this all table, go to the home tab. In the number group, we will apply comma style with no decimal places. Okay. The next is that now we will move on question number 10. I have done 9 questions so far. The question number 10 is that apply custom number format to cell F4 to H4 that display the tax down payment in F4, tax in G4, and monthly PMT in cell H4. Bold and center the heading and substitution value. Basically in this question we will have to apply a custom number format. Okay, we will click on cell F4. First we will click on cell F4. Go to the home tab in the number group, open number launcher box, go to the custom. We will remove this general and then we will type in inverted commas down payment, and then we will click on OK button. Okay. Now we will click on cell G4, and then we will enter custom number format tags. Click on cell G4, go to the number launcher box, click on custom, remove this general, and in inverted commas we will type tags. Click on OK button. This is good now. Now we will have to add a third custom number is monthly PMT in cell H4. We will click on cell H4, and then we will go to the home tab. In the number group, click on the number launcher box. We will go to the custom, and then simply we will go to the general. We will remove this general and then enter in inverted commas. Okay, and we will type monthly PMT. Monthly PMT. One second. We will copy this monthly PMT, and in inverted commas we will enter here monthly PMT and click on OK button. Okay, custom number format is added now. Now bold and center the heading and substitution value. We will select these headings, go to the home tab. In the font group we will apply bold. In the alignment group we will click on center the alignment. This is good. Now we will select this value, we will apply bold and center the alignment, substitution value. So we will move on the next. You can see I have done 10 question in my video. Total question is 24. It's mean I have done 60 to 70% of assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, writing economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. You can simply contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all student. Thank you so much.